We found a spot by a lake with about 1 million flies all around it. Sophia's already upset about it. But unfortunately, timing wise, I don't think we're going to be able to find anything better. You would never picture that this was the Miami princess carrying a timber log.
I made a terrible mistake. As the co-pilot, it is my job to research campgrounds and make sure we have a place to sleep at night. So I went on the Google and I found a bunch of nice things around about the forests and whatever, and then there was like one blog post about boondocking on the Missouri River. Like, what the hell does that mean? But a river sounds nice, right? And so I was like, let's go there, and it was like the most detailed description on how to get there. So I was like, this should be easy and nice, but like we got here and there are so many bugs, like flies all over our car and crickets everywhere. Like, I'm scared to pee on the floor. Like, what if one goes up my vagine? Like, that's not gonna be fun. So like, Ben is out there getting some firewood and rocks to make like a little fire. Look at Ben doing all this work for me because I'm a fucking pussy and I hate this situation so much with all the bugs. He really looks like a New Yorker though. Like, it's all black. This is like not ideal. So hopefully I survive the night. Wish me luck. I must sound like such a diva, but I just like, this isn't really my comfort zone, so it's hard for me to like be cool with a lot of bugs everywhere, and it's been like 10 days or so on the road, on the camp, and like I'm starting to need a shower of things. So there we have it, life on the road. On the bright side, there is Wi-Fi. Don't let the freaking bugs in. He's gonna be so mad at me. He's a brave man. I love him. Thank you for being so brave and amazing, Ben. Too bad it's so hot. Like, he's gonna put on this freaking fire and it's like 100 degrees. Okay. Good morning. Are you gonna say good morning?
What? Oh, morning.
It's kind of early. We just booked it out of our campsite. Like, we've never booked it out of anything before. We're pretty like slow movers in the morning, but today we just had to like leave this place so quickly. We made new friends. We didn't even say goodbye. We're such bad friends. And the reason for that is these flies were like out to get us. It was disgusting.
Flies is my thing. I'm Australian and I hate flies.
Ben says that the Australian flies in the summer are like the worst, but this was like the worst he's ever seen. That's how bad the flies were.
They were covering the car like a carpet. Like a carpet of fly.
There's still some in here and we're just like ready to get them. So we just booked it out of there. Like, I'm wearing pajamas, I haven't brushed my teeth, we haven't had our coffee, which is like one of our biggest things. Like, we need our coffee. So hopefully we can find a place to stop at some point soon to just get some coffee. There's so much sun and my sun thing is broken. So yeah, so that's the update. We don't know where we're gonna go, but we'll keep you in the loop-de-loop. I'm gonna break my finger.
Well, the pressure's on now.
From the back.
It's like one whole YouTube video of Sophia nailing in of a peg.
You're making me nervous. It's like going down.
I think it's dead.
There we go. Welcome to Milwaukee.
We cheated. It's cheating. I was gonna try and tell a story about how we aren't cheating. We're cheating.
But like, look at my hair.
Yeah, we had.
Stop.
I hadn't had a shower since we left Colorado, which I don't even know how long ago that was. And I stunk. We had to come here to Milwaukee for some work, and we cheated. We cheated. We stayed in a really, really lovely little hotel.
Called the Brew House Inn and Suite.
Yeah, definitely.
Shout out.
Definitely recommended. It was a big room. I've stayed in.
I love the ceiling.
Yeah, I've stayed in Milwaukee a few times, and I've never had really, really big hotel rooms. It was really cool. I haven't been to Milwaukee for 6 years, and it got cool. Milwaukee's cool. Milwaukee's got some things happening, and I'm surprised. I don't know why I'm surprised at how much can change in 6 years, but it's cool. It's very cool. We're sitting next to a, what?
They call it the Great Hall.
Looks like a castle to me. It's owned by, looks like it's owned by Pabst. Somebody commented on a photo and said I look like a hillbilly.
That was enough for us.
That was some inspiration for some
cheating.
For some cheating. We're having some fresh fruit.
So now we're off to Chicago, and then I don't know, we'll see, because we have to get back to New York very soon, and it's already Saturday, so.
We were supposed to be back by now.
Yeah, we were. But it's okay, like, we're enjoying what we can while we can, because I know once we get back, we're gonna be like, I miss the road.
So that's it. We just wanted to report that we cheated.
Yeah.
We cheated. We are smelling nice, comfortable.
I don't regret any of it.
Got the cleanest, I have the cleanest bum I've had since I left Colorado. Trust me, babe.
Okay, we'll see you back on the road.
Yeah, we'll see you guys on the way to Chicago.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye.
Bye. How cute is this little place, though? It's like a little home without shelter. We made the shelter. This is a hip camp in Michigan. Our little bathroom. Look how cute this little like fire station is. And while Ben's gone, I'll talk to you guys. Good morning. Gotta make sure the coffee's good. Stay here. Stay. Good morning. We are in the vineyards of Michigan. We were in Chicago yesterday. We were gonna stay in the Indiana Dunes State Park, which we visited on our way over to Colorado. But we couldn't stay that long. Like, we took some pictures you'll probably see on our Instagram. We really thought it was cute, so we were like, oh, let's try to stay there on the way back. And we got there and all the campgrounds are full. So thank God we had service, A, and then B, thank God for Hip Camp, which we love. Like, we're obsessed with Hip Camp these days. It is Airbnb for campers, if we haven't said that already. And it is really convenient. Like, there are so many campsites all over the United States. We've stayed in some pretty cool areas in Nebraska and Iowa, or it was Idaho. I don't know, I get those two confused. But pretty much, like, you meet the nicest people, or you sometimes just stay in really nice places. And so we stayed in this one yesterday. It's like a vineyard here in Michigan. I don't know if you can see these vineyards. And the owner, John, is so nice. They have over 60 reviews on the hip camp, which is really rare. Like usually they're like 3 to 5 reviews, you know, 10 reviews if they're really good, but 67 is quite a lot. So we came and we stayed here. It was really nice. We slept, and now we are on our way to Mansfield, Ohio for work stuff. And then after that, like, we're so close to home. It's kind of bittersweet because, I mean, as much as I'm loving this, I definitely miss like indoor life and no bugs and like TV and all those like fancy things we got. Whoop. So yeah, now Ben's coming back with the water and we'll keep you updated.